Somebody got a Rolls Royce going through a car wash. Like,
he's fucking that shit up.
Get outside!
oh shit! Look at all that tape! The chicks, you're 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 the chicks. Y'all see what the fuck going on? Goddamn. New late night video with Cuzzy. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Hold on. Niggas gotta see what the fuck going on. Y'all niggas gotta stay in tune. Subscribe to your boy. Late night video with me and my cousin. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just stay tuned. I'm not gonna say much. Y'all just gonna see what's up. This nigga taking a minute to get the fuck over here. It's 10 o'clock. What's today? Friday? Pushing Saturday? Yeah, I ain't trying to be outside all night.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, hold on. My boy right
here.
You know what I'm saying? We outside. My son got there. Hold on. We in the G37 with it.
With the LED.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, hold on. We just gotta figure out where we going right now. Tell them where we going. You gotta tell them where we going, cuz. We going to Spin City, man. We ain't gonna talk too much about it. Y'all just gonna see it when we see it. You feel me? We ain't gonna talk too much about it. It's that G37. Don't fuck around. Yeah, we outside. Hold on. Where we going? Yeah, we out. Gotta move accordingly, nigga. I don't want no D sucking dick today. Yeah, hold on. That ass.
Tell that nigga, this ain't what you want.
I see a Honda Accord right in front of you, too. If you know, you know. Yo, you're a crazy, gang. Where do I was, bro? I ain't never seen nothing like it, gang. This nigga said, yo, I gotta get a car wash. If you know this car wash, you know this car wash. Gangsta. Ah, shit, what the fuck going on? Hold on. You gotta get that car wash. You know what I'm saying? My boy getting that shit nice and fresh and clean. You ain't getting. I see you. Nah, we gotta pay over there. Somebody got a Rolls Royce going through a car wash. Like, I need one of these cars, but come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Wash your shit yourself, bro. This is a Rolls Royce. Look at the top hood of that shit. That car, this is just fucking slow as shit, bro. What am I on? We on Pennsylvania and Lynn. East New York with it. I won't try the corner store. Yo, if this is how I drive, this shit is fun, nigga. Where do I want? Next lane. What you talking about? Hold on. You gotta chill. The jacket is crazy. Yo, the jacket is crazy. Cause, this nigga is dangerous. Yo, what the fuck? This is fucking ambulance, man. These niggas gonna have to help me. Hold on, it's gonna come. You just being dickhead. Give it a second.
How you braking for?
That's what I'm saying. That should be getting me mad. Nigga trying to brake check too. We out. Goodbye. See you later. Yeah. Oh shit. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, these G37s is like fucking toys. Niggas just having fun. And up ahead to that nigga. That horsepower is kick. Your brakes is clean too, son. Brakes is too clean, son. This is content! Hold on, this is recording this. I hate Fords. This is why I don't like Fords, bro. You can't tell if niggas is jakes or not. We out. Skirt! Oh my god! Fuck the cops, no, what the fuck you talking about? We outside. Hold on, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, hold on. Oh, this suck. Yeah! This nigga is a madman. Where are my mother, son? These big doofy ass shits. Yeah.
There's another juice spot, 2 seconds spot was just about to.
Shit, I don't give a fuck. We making videos in the car. Oh, nah. Who the fuck is this? Nah, he dangerous. I can tell. Some niggas got mad mods on his car, bro. This nigga got mad mods on his shit.
I don't know if he gonna say safety.
It could be. That'd be crazy. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Better.
I don't want to see a lot of room.
Nigga, just go anywhere, gang. You gotta smoke anyways, gang.
A few moments later.
Yo, they got the scats. You got the G37s. You got everything outside.
We wildin'. Okay.
Yo, this
No, my shit have not been.
August. I don't need to get that on film. Hold on, let me get that on
Get
film. This shit tough. Damn.
I know a couple niggas in here. That's why I'm playing the back right now.
Shit, niggas need to just tap in for real.
I don't know. I want to spend my shit, so I tell you, don't do it. Don't do it, Jug.
That Nissan is wildin'. I know Home Depot bad as hell. We doing this in their parking lot.
You know?
Home Depot, nigga. Fuck you. We out. Boys. We out. Okay, where we go? Just get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, be careful. Go right there. Follow that Jeep.
She like bottom on.
Yo, the Jeeps. Yo, I gotta have to let niggas go out.
Oh, my phone.
Follow the Jeep. You got your phone, nigga. Go ahead. I know you're not beeping like niggas don't all gotta leave, nigga.
It's scary.
Oh shit.
Oh, the boys right there. Go ahead. Yeah. I'm not getting chased by them niggas. Niggas not catching my plates.
G-stick.
Not catching my plates. Right now.
Hold on.
My plates.
Hold on.
Not catching my plates.
Tune in. Continue to tune
I'm
in.
not moving up.
We outside, niggas is cutting up right now, you know what I'm saying?
Outside for real.
You know what I'm saying? This is content. Good tap the fuck. Yo!
My boy 1980. I might even go try to catch him. That shit is manual and that shit is fast.
This nigga shit ain't no Jakes behind us.
I gotta change that. I gotta cut my plate though.
Fuck it, niggas getting flashed by cameras and shit. Yo, that BMW not giving a fuck right now, bro. This nigga is wildin'. Let's open up the window, shall we? We outside. I gotta respark my spliff, goddamn. That nigga is blocking. Oh yeah. Get up, get away from this truck. BMWs, get up. Don't jump in the.
See why I be chilling? That's why you don't cut up, bro. Always a dumb ass little stupid.
Look at this
car.
dirty ass, old ass piece of shit. We out. Fuck a red light. We don't wait at these. Oh nah, nigga, you parking, nigga. You not waiting at this shit. I feel like I'm in Fast and Furious right now. On God. That shit is punchy. That shit talking, nigga. Get your ass boom.
I've been killing.
I gotta get all this blood.
They gotta bust the gate over, I say that.
Oh, it's another G. We outside.
They gotta bust the gate over.
We outside. They gonna break the gate.
Oh, he's low key over there. I'm about to go where he at. That ain't that type of party, nigga. Gotta tell him sometimes. You can't take a nigga parking. Nah.
Oh God.
You can't do that. Y'all can't. Come on, like, nah. You can't do that.
We not gonna play like that shit now regular though. Niggas do that shit all
I'll
the
save you
time.
some room. If it ain't too much room, then I don't know what to tell you, but we can't now. How the fuck they get? Nah, gang. Hold on.
How the fuck they get in there?
Hold on, gang.
They went around that shit.
I know how they got it, gang.
You gonna try to slide it right here? Nigga got plate covers. This nigga is dangerous.
I got
Got niggas standing on the truck. These niggas is violent. Nah, this nigga is geeking. That ass, y'all hear what the fuck going on? What you give? See what you doing right now? Fucking dead.
adult supervision.
A Benz? A Benz? Yo, that's an AMG right there cutting up.
You wanna go outside?
Why not?
I see you, gang. Yeah, gang.
Really, nigga?
Do not hit my car. The fuck is that? Look, that's my boy. 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 That boy be flexing. Look, he didn't want to do nothing. He didn't want to do too much. Motherfuckers in here, gang. I don't see where it's safe to slide at. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! They walk a little bit, gang. They walk a little bit. They walk a little bit. I'm going to that. Yo, we moving around right now through the sunroof. Oh, so many people. Oh, shit! Let me hold tight. Hold on. Let me hold this tight. That's my fucking baby right here.
That's how much people is outside. Believe it or not, it's more than that. It's so much more than that. It's so much more than that, nigga. Fuck going on? Hold on. Let me zoom into this. You can't even see it because there's so much fucking people, but you see what the fuck going on.
Yo! Get the fuck out the way. Let me catch my shit.
Look at all that smoke, nigga. Got somebody geek.
Right now, man. We gotta go over there.
Let's get it.
We gotta get the contact.
These niggas is dead ass trying to turn on this truck, bro. Oh, shit. Got the Hellcats. Jeez. You know what I'm saying? Child cousin. You know what I'm saying? Come tap in.
A few minutes later.
Even get out of here before the fucking jinx come. He's all bouncing. You all left. Let's see if it's another meet though, you know what I'm saying? You love to see it.
A few moments later.
That's not a female. That's not a female. That's,
I don't know who
that's a male.
He's bugging.
That nigga bugging out. See, we must be outside. Why you following this nigga? Yo, this nigga really got no license plate. Y'all see what the fuck going on? Yo, them niggas is out, son. This nigga cut his lights off. Yo, this nigga cut his lights off, bro. That man is dangerous. It's fucking hard. This nigga shit is tough, son. Look at this nigga shit. Look at him cutting his shit on and off. License plates, no license plate. No fucking license plate. This nigga is different. These niggas is really sliding right here. Niggas is crazy. He's got the bus waiting, told that nigga suck my dick. Fuck out of here.
But it's not in service though, so it really don't matter, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, that shit funny as hell, gang. Oh, God. Trying to roll up right now.
Nigga, come fuck with the trenches. Niggas don't know about the trenches, gang.
Yo, they gonna call the cops. This motherfucker gonna call the cops, man. I can tell you that now.
Big up the woman, them.
So bust it down, they gonna die. You see what's going on. Bro, when I say we stuck in traffic.
Yo, we outside. Look at the jinx, yo, 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 the jinx. Yo, the jinx, yo, the jinx, yo, we out. We out.
They can't do shit on God. We too deep. They can't do shit. We too deep. We too deep. You love to see it. You love to see it. You love to see it. Yo, why these niggas not going?
He's a dead man. When I get this YouTube check, might put it on his head, man.